Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to connect VLC iPhone to TV. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To connect VLC for iPhone to your TV, follow these steps. Firstly, ensure that your TV has the Fastcast app installed. Once you have the app, proceed with the following steps. Firstly, begin by opening the camera app on your iPhone and scan the QR code displayed on your TV screen. Tap on the link that appears at the top of the screen and wait for a moment as the app installs. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the Fastcast app. Grant necessary permissions if prompted. Then navigate to the initial setup screens. Swipe to access the dashboard. Then tap on AirPlay, located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and follow the instructions provided to connect your iPhone to your TV via AirPlay. Now, return to the home page of your iPhone and open the VLC Media app. Choose a movie to play, then swipe up to the bottom of the screen to access the system tray. Tap on Screen Mirroring and choose Fastcast from the list of available options. Finally, start playing the movie and it will be mirrored on your TV screen. By following these steps, you can successfully connect VLC for iPhone to your TV using the Fastcast app. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.